Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and if you are looking for a golf bag that is as unique as you are, then look no further.
This bag from Taboo Fashions is truly obsession worthy. I am completely in love with this golf bag. It is from their resort collections and it's a lightweight cart bag. It has everything that you need and it is designed for golfers who want style and functionality. It has a 14-way top, so each club has its own spot. It is loaded with a built-in cooler pocket, a rain hood, tea holder, and 7 zippered pockets for all of your essentials. It is super light and designed for cart use so you can enjoy carrying less and playing more. It's about 35 inches tall, so it fits really neatly into cart storage while still offering full size capacity. It is literally the best bag I have ever seen. I am obsessed with the print. I'm obsessed with everything about it, and I think you will be too.
I think this is the most beautiful golf bag I have ever seen, and it has everything and then some. I couldn't recommend it more, and that's my point of view.